How to use your Stackup dashboard. The dashboard gives you a high-level view of how your students are stacking up. This first tile is the number of students with time logged. If you're a teacher, this will just be your students. If you're a school leader, like a principal, this will be your entire school. And if you're a district leader, it'll be your entire district of students. The second tile is the top category that students are reading and engaged in. Google Suite's pretty common. Top websites, being Google Docs, is also pretty common, but I'll show you how to further filter that in a little bit. The average reading level is 9th grade. This means the average reading level that students are accessing online is the 9th grade reading level using the Flesch-Kincaid formula. Total reading time is the total time students are spending online reading and engaged. And below is the average time used or read per day. The last tile is the total number of created challenges. The first graph gives you daily reading time. Since we're looking at the time frame of the last 6 months, we can see an entire month at a time. So for the month of June, the average reading time daily spent by the 672 students is 28 minutes. The next graph is the average reading level that students are accessing. Over a long period of time, like 6 months, it's pretty common for it to be consistent and flat like this. If we change the filter to the last week or 2 weeks or day, it'll be a little more up and down. This graph is the favorite topics or categories that students are accessing. You can see here, for example, literature has 106,000 minutes. Google Suite commonly being the biggest. The last graph is the top websites that students are using, Google Docs being a very common one. But let's dig a little deeper. You can click more filters, select a certain school, grade, class, or even website like Achieve 3000, and it will change all of the data below. So, for example, if we wanted to look at the filtering of the reading and language arts subjects, social studies, and science, so we would exclude the Google Suite, we can click Apply and quickly see all of this data that excludes the Google Suites, so excluding Google Docs. We could dig in deeper and look within a subject area and even just select a specific category if we want as well. That's a quick overview of the Stackup dashboard.